Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review this NMTG Objective NCERT at your fingertips. So let's see its characteristic features. So chapter wise snapshots with HD pages. So it's kind of a summary, summarized tabular formats and few diagrams are with high quality. Chapter wise, topic wise MCQs, NCERT exemplar and HOTS MCQs. If you're purchasing NCERT exemplar for just the objective questions, then this book will do that for. But if you're purchasing for the subjective ones, then you have to go with the NCERT exemplar itself. Assertion and reason questions from this year, only one or two questions will come, I think, as per the NTA's director. Only one or two questions will come of assertion reason, because earlier it was the assertion reason questions were asked in AIM examination and now it is abolished. And 6 practice paper in which 3 are for class 11th and 3 are for class 12th. Let's get in the book. So for the first page, it's a multicolor edition. I got it off Amazon. You can see wisdom words from toppers. So from various toppers, you are getting all the appreciation for this book. Now the contents. So let's see. We are not seeing the first chapter. Moving on to the second chapter. Second chapter is biological classification in class 11. So snapshots. Then MCQ corner. MCQ corner in which all the subtopics of your NCERT are given, arranged rather. Introduction to classification, kingdom Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, animalia, and then virus, viroids, and prions and lichens. Then hot question, that is a high order thinking skills question, NCERT exemplar problems, and assertion reason corner, that is assertion reason question, and hints and explanations. So the hints and explanation part is very detailed. So if you want to study it in a great depth, then you should do it. Then for the contents of class 12, let's see any chapter, sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Again the same format as class 11th. So let's dive into the first chapter, the living world. You can see class 11th is written right here. So the living world, in which I told you a summary is given, or that is named under snapshots. Okay, snapshots. You can see all the summary over here. There are some tabular formats, flowcharts and all. Then these are the HD pages. I'm going to show you. It's written in landscape. So these are the HD pages. You can see it's written right here, HD pages. So everything classification of species, they're given an example of it. And then coming over to the MCQ corner. So in MCQ corner, for the first unit of the living world is what is living. So under that unit, whatever MCQs can be formed are given here, 11 MCQs. Then next one is diversity in the living world. You can see all the units and some multicolor edition, so you will get the pictures in multicolor also. And it's a very small chapter. It's a very small chapter. They say the living world. Then too, there are 100 MCQs from this chapter. There are 100 MCQs, and there is a compare self-analysis table. So whatever percentage of questions you got right, you can read the comments of that questions. Then high order thinking skills. These are out. I will not say it's an out of NCERT questions, but these are very high level questions which have an NCERT base. Okay, then we have exemplar problems. Exemplar problems, some questions have multiple correct options, so it might have, you can see it's written over here also. These questions are from NCERT exemplar book. It may have more than one correct option. Then assertion reason question. Assertion reason questions are, the directions are mentioned right here, and all the questions, there are 15 assertion reason questions. Next we have the answer key. So if just a quickie answer, you can just see the answer key, and if you want detailed solutions, you can see 4 to 5 line question solutions are given. The direct questions have not been explained, just the answer, but the indirect questions which have to be explained are given in very thorough explanation. You can see even the things which are important are highlighted with bold. So you get very differentiated solution booklet as well, not booklet, solution pages. Then the next chapter starts biological classification. Again, very good summary. This is not just what is mentioned in NCERT, it's a little extra edge. Then we have biological classification, all the kingdom, this is the 5 kingdom classification. Moving, let's see even the one of the 12th chapter as well, class 12th chapter. So let's say human reproduction. If you see, so in human reproduction, a lot of imagination, because not clear pictures are there. So in human reproduction, again the format is same in class 12 as well, the snapshots. Then we have again more snapshots. The summary is very detailed and very thorough. So if you just want a quick revision, you can do this. This chapter is a long one, so it takes a lot of time to study, and we have all the diagrams very labeled very well. You can see female and male reproductive systems, all these HD pages, and then we have MCQ corner. MCQ corner, again, these are arranged as per the NCERT headings. So if for example you did any unit from NCERT, so you will be able to solve for example you did menstrual cycle, and when you completed menstrual cycle you want to do a little bit of practice. Let's see if I can solve the MCQs or not. So in menstrual cycle you have all these questions. You can see a lot of questions are there in the menstrual cycle. In pregnancy and embryonic development, the important chapters have a large number of MCQs. For example, this is a very important chapter. It has 145 questions. Can you imagine 145 questions from just one chapter? Where concepts will be super clear. You have high order thinking skills. You can see exemplar problems again, and the assertion reason. Now, if you see in class 11th, I want to show you. This is a very good thing I saw in this book, that after the last chapter, that is chemical coordination and integration, there are 3 practice papers. Okay, I'm going to show you. Let me just open them. See, this is the practice paper 1. So in this paper, you will get total 50 questions. Okay, though there are 90 questions on biology in NEET, but over here are only 50 questions. But these questions are only from your class 11th. Means it's a class 11 mock test. Full syllabus. All the chapters. You can see all the chapters. Diagram questions, tabular questions, graph questions. You can see the graph question. So all sorts of questions, and like this there are 3 practice papers for class 11. Okay, just the questions of class 11th are there. Similarly, questions of in the end of class 12th, there are 3 practice papers. You can see practice paper 1. So this practice paper contains only only class 12th questions. So if you have completed your class 12th syllabus and you want to check your confidence in class 12th, so you can do these practice papers. It will help you really well. This book costs 850 rupees, but this one is I got it off Amazon and I got it on a sale. So I paid around 700 rupees for this. That was a good purchase. Okay. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please do let me know in the comment section what else books do you want. I will definitely review for it.